Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to show you how you can install a Stage 3 Plus SoundSkins install of sound matting into your car. All right, y'all, so let's talk about the project a little bit before we do it. Now, hopefully you've had a chance to see my Stage 1 through Stage 3 installs of the SoundSkins product into my M2 competition and the dramatic difference that made in that car. I mean, it brought the sound floor down by an entire 8 decibels, which is really pretty amazing and has improved both ride noise, but the sound quality of my speaker system and my upgrades in that car is just dramatically better. I mean, it's just night and day. Well, I want to do a Stage 3 Plus in this classic E53 X5. Now, how can we make it any better? Well, Stage 1 are the sound rings that go all around, and we're going to install those. Stage 2 is going to be where we replace the vapor barriers with the SoundSkins Pro product all the way through. We're going to do that. Stage 3, we're going to layer underneath all the carpets, front seat, back seat, all the way back into the storage area, and that's going to make a huge difference. But we're going to go one stage further today. Now, the only way you can get better from there is with the SoundSkins Classic. Now, the big difference between the Pro and the Classic is that the Classic has a metal backing on it and is much more weather resistant. Now, weather resistant, why would you want that?